Well, hello folks. I'm back working at it the second day. I've got the all the metal cleaned off with paint thinner and rags. Got all the oil substance off of it. I'm going to go in now and get my paint ready and then come out and spray paint the frame. So let's get her going. Well, it's been a long day, but I got the painting done. I got it all finished. Even though the manufacturer painted the spars on the ceiling there, I went ahead and coated those too. But anyway, let's just do a little quick walk around. I used a little Harbor Freight high volume paint system. It's cheap, less than $100. Works pretty good for stuff like this. That's a lot easier than painting it with a brush. But anyways, another step done. Hey guys, I've decided to pull the floor up and set the floor up on some workbenches out here and get a good coating of paint on the bottom, seal it all up, and then install it back. That'll also give me a chance to address some of the wire issues where they have wire just going through holes in the frame without any grommets or anything. I'm going to go ahead and install some grommets. So that's what we're going to do, is just pull up this floor. It won't take long. It'll be easier for me to paint it out here than to paint it from underneath. I got the floor out, so I figured I'm going to seal the edges real good and then progress on from there. So. Had some sealer in the garage, been there for about 2 years, so I figured I might as well put it to use. guys, I've cut my tabs on the cutoff saw, and now I'm cutting the holes for the 3/8 bolts that'll be holding the tank up. Well, good morning. It's a cool, cloudy Saturday morning. Been working on the cargo conversion. I got my water tanks, 20-gallon tanks ordered from Class A Customs in Elkhart, Indiana. They're 20 gallons. These were the largest I could that they had that would fit in between the floor supports, which are on 16-inch centers. So I had them pre-install the water sensors on the ends here. Basically, I've made up a support system with angle iron. I had to weld some tabs onto the frame. So let's go in and see what I've done. I got my first tank installed. As you can see, these floor joists are only 16-inch on centers, so that only gives me about 14-inch in between. So it limits you to the tanks you can get. So again, these are from Class A Customs. They fit in between these trailer floor joists. They're only like 13.5 inches wide. So you can see this is how they'll be mounted. I've got the 1.5 inch tabs welded here on the frame, and then hanging by bolts, then the 1.5 inch angle iron to support the tank. So I'll have this tank here, 2 bays up. I'll have another tank for a total of 40 fresh water, and then I'll have some gray tank up front. It'll be 20 gallons of gray water. But anyways, so that's proof of concept right here. It started raining, cold front came through. I had to quit work for today. So I just wanted to get you all caught up here. Let me give you a close-up of the work down here. Alright folks, well that'll be it for today. Don't want to make this video too long, but tomorrow I'll continue working on the tanks and hopefully get all 3 tanks fitted up. Then I'll remove all that hardware and paint it, make sure you get a coat of paint on it to keep it from rusting underneath there. And then I'll start thinking about my hookups for my plumbing and whatnot. Got to order some electrical parts, and I'm sure it'll be months before I ever get this thing finished. But anyways, that's it for today.